Yes, beta. Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Connection, it got disrupted. And when there is a connection problem, do not leave the class and go away, okay? After a few moments, the Wi-Fi, it resumes the connection. Clear? Don't leave the class. So now I know that Bill's helpfulness to the young fellow from the city was not entirely a matter of brotherly love. I was paying him for his time. In the end, I paid him for 6 hours. This para only, na? Yes.
मैम ई टू ये यहाँ पे विल गो अप टू हाइड हिल्स एंड एंजॉय द व्यू.
तो ये तो बता दिया ना मैंने. उसने कहा कि घर से लंच पैक
Yes,
करवा
ma'am.
लेंगे एंड देन वी विल गो टू वेड हिल एंड देयर विल सिट एंड एंजॉय द लंच. ओके. अब नेक्स्ट पैरा यही है ना. आई नो दैट बिल्स हेल्पफुलनेस. दिस इज द नेक्स्ट पैरा, इजंट इट? ओके. तो वो कह रहा था कि ये जो बिल है ना, जो हेल्प कर रहा था,
मैम,
ये बिल.
मैम,
यस तरुण,
मैम, which page number?
tell him the page number. Today only you have joined the class.
50, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell Tarun. All those who do not know, come on, page number 50. So now he says, I know that Bill's helpfulness to the young fellow from the city was not entirely a matter of brotherly love. Now, see, Bill was helping this young fellow, this young lawyer who had come from the city, but it was not due to the brotherly love. ये नहीं था कि भाई की तरह उसको प्यार करता था या भाईचारे का प्रेम था. This was not like that. Okay. Instead, वो lawyer कहता, I was paying him for his time. Okay, whatever time that head driver Bill he was spending with the lawyer. तो वो lawyer कहता, I was paying him for his time. In the end, I paid him for 6 hours, underline, including the lunch hour, at what was then a very high price. See, और कहता है end में जाके मैंने उसको pay करा है ना, for 6 hours. That included the lunch also, and that was a very high price pay करी उसने. But he was no more dishonest than I. I charged the whole thing to the firm, but it would have been worth paying him myself to have his presence. Now he says that, yes, I paid him a very high price. Okay, it was a very high price. Uh, or yadi, if he was no more dishonest than I, okay, means even I had been somewhat very dishonest. ठीक है. क्यों? क्योंकि मैंने सारा पैसा है ना टू द फर्म से वसूल करा था. द फर्म मतलब वेयर द लॉयर वाज वर्किंग, वहां से है ना उसने सारा पैसा चार्ज कर लिया था. बट इट वुड हैव बीन वर्थ पेइंग हिम माई सेल्फ टू हैव हिज प्रेजेंस. और वो कहता है कि I would have, okay, if even I would have paid from my own pocket, it would have been worth paying. Why? Because he helped me so much, okay. तो यदि मैं अपनी जेब से भी पैसा पे कर रहा होता तो it wouldn't have been wasted. Why? Because that hack driver, he helped me such a lot. His cheerful country wisdom was very refreshing to a country boy like myself who was sick of the city. और कहते हैं जो उसकी country wisdom थी, the knowledge he had about the country and all, okay, it gave some sort of refreshing. Okay, it made the lawyer very refreshing. Why? Because the lawyer, he himself was a country boy and he was fed up living in the city. As we sat on the hilltop looking over the pastures and creek which slipped among the trees, he talked of New Million and painted a picture in words of all the people in it. Now he says that we were sitting on the Wade Hill, we were sitting and we were talking about the pastures. Pastures are the green fields and all, and about the creeks and all. We were talking about. Okay, they all were covered by the trees. So there, sitting, having the lunch, Bill described in words. Okay, about his country, about his village, New Million, okay, and about every person living in New Million. He described it. He painted a kind of a picture in front of the lawyer. Okay, how did he paint the kind of the picture? By by describing about the persons in words. समझ में आया? पूरा उनकी ड्राइंग, उनकी चित्र उसके सामने खींच दी. तो कैसे खींच दी? He was not having pen, paper or any colors, यानी by describing. Okay, he drew a picture of each and every person of New Million. Means he described every person. He noticed everything, but no matter how much he might laugh at people, he also understood and forgive their foolishness. Now, lawyer notice करता है कि this Bill, he was very clever. Okay, every minute thing, everything he used to notice, and he laughed at the people. Okay, and he also at the same time he also understood them, and they had been, according to Bill, they had been foolish many times with him, but he always forgave their foolishness. He described the minister's wife who sang the loudest in church when she was most in debt. और फिर वो minister's wife के बारे में बोलता है कि who is the minister here? Minister कोई नेता येता नहीं है. He is talking about the churchman. Okay, जो priest होते हैं ना, जिनको पादरी बोला जाता है हिंदी में, churchman. Okay, so he talks about him and he says that when there are prayers in the church, she is the one who sings in the loudest voice. Why? That makes everybody understand that she is in debt. समझ में आ गया? यानी जब उस पर काफी when she owes lot of money to the people, owing lot of money मतलब बहुत ज्यादा जब उस पर कर्जा होता है, तो वो मे बी अपने टेंशन को स्लैक करने के लिए, कम करने के लिए, या कुछ और रीजन होगा, तो कहता है वो जो प्रीस्ट की वाइफ होती है ना, जोर जोर से चर्च में गाती है. Then he commented on the boys who came back from college in fancy clothes. Now there, sitting on the hilltop, beta, he was describing his village, about his people. He was telling to the lawyer, और फिर वो उन boys के बारे में बोलता है, college boys जो बड़े fancy fashionable dresses पहनते हैं. Then he told about the lawyer whose wife could never succeed in getting him to put on both a collar and a tie on the same day. और फिर उसके बाद ही टॉक्स अबाउट अ लॉयर, किसी वकील के बारे में बात करता है जो अनसक्सेसफुल रही कि अपने पति को कॉलर एंड टाई वो एक साथ नहीं बंधवा सकती थी. एंड देन ही मेड देम ऑल लिव. ओके, ऑल लाइव. ओके, ऑल लाइव मतलब सबको जैसे बिल्कुल लाइवली कर दिया हो उसके सामने, जैसे बिल्कुल जीवंत कर दिया. ओके, एज इफ दोस पीपल दे वर सिटिंग देयर. राहुल चौधरी, रिमूव दिस पिक. Many times I told you not to put any kind of pic. Only the name should be there on the screens. Got it, Rahul?
Yes, ma'am.
You're not here for any kind of modeling, beta. Okay, so just remove it.
Yes, ma'am.
Only the name should be there. Name से मुझे पता पड़ जाता है कि हाँ राहुल ही है, इसलिए हमें जरूरत नहीं है किसी पिक वगैरह की. स्पेशली यहाँ पर तो जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है, इन द ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हटाइएगा उसको. And then सबकी बात करके he made everybody live. On that day I came to know New Million better than I did the city and to love it better. और कहते हैं he described about his village so much कि I understood, okay, very well I understood about New Million, about the people living in New Million. Why? Because each and every person was described by him. Okay, and then he says that I understood New Million better than I understood the city where I had been living for a long time. Clear, beta, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Sure?
ma'am,
Samiksha, what is the problem?
ma'am, here minister's wife is the
Minister's
wife
wife is the priest who performs the prayers in the church. Okay, fathers होते हैं ना, जिसको हिंदी में पादरी बोला जाता है. फादर्स होते हैं ना, देखा है ना चर्च में, प्रीस्ट होते हैं ना.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, उसकी वाइफ को बोला गया. ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Bill didn't know about colleges and cities, but he had traveled around a lot of the country and had had a lot of jobs. Okay, Bill, was not educated. He had never been to colleges and cities, but many times, okay, he had traveled a lot of the country, और इस पूरे कंट्री साइड में, पूरे विलेज एरिया और आसपास के एरियाज में he had traveled a lot and he had done different kinds of jobs. From his adventures he had brought back a philosophy of simplicity and laughter. Okay, और अपने इन एडवेंचर्स से, ठीक है, उसने क्या लेकर आया, वो उसने क्या सीखा, फिलोसफी ऑफ सिंप्लिसिटी. गॉट इट. उसने सिंप्लिसिटी सीखी, है ना. बहुत सिंपलटन था, बड़ी सादगी उसने सीखी. एंड लाफ्टर, लाफ्टर यू नो, ही मेड पीपल लाफ. ही स्ट्रेंथेंड मी, और उसने ये सब सुना के एज इफ ही हैड गिवन सम करेज टू द लॉयर, है ना, उसको काफी स्ट्रेंथन कर दिया. We left that peaceful scene of meadows and woods and resumed a search of Oliver Lutchkins. We could not find him. At last, Bill cornered a friend of Lutchkins and made him admit what he guessed. Oliver's gone out to his mother's farm 3 miles ago. Now, what happened? After having their lunch, they left that peaceful scene of meadows. Okay, meadows क्या होते हैं, जो मैदान वगैरह होते हैं. And woods, woods are the what, the forest and all. Okay, and resumed a search of Oliver Lutchkin. ठीक है. और वुड्स यानी फॉरेस्ट वगैरह जो थे, और मेडोज थे जो घास के मैदान वगैरह थे. दे लेफ्ट इट एंड दे कंटिन्यूड सर्चिंग फॉर ओलिवर लुटकिंस, बट वी कुड नॉट फाइंड हिम. एट लास्ट बिल कॉर्नर्ड अ फ्रेंड ऑफ लुटकिंस. फाइनली क्या होता है कि बिल, यू नो, ही कॉर्नर्ड मतलब ही कॉट अ फ्रेंड ऑफ लुटकिंस. उसने कॉर्नर्ड यानी पकड़ लिया एक लुटकिंस के फ्रेंड को. एंड मेड हिम एडमिट व्हाट ही गेस्ड, और उससे एडमिट करवा ही लिया. ओके, मेड हिम एक्सेप्टेड. ठीक है. और कहता है कि ऑलिवर इज गॉन आउट टू हिज मदर्स फार्म 3 miles नॉर्थ. और वो कहता है कि शायद ऑलिवर जो है, he has gone to his mother's farm which is 3 miles towards the north from this place. Getting it?